Hello, I'm Ron Wilbert from Wilbert's Inc. I'm at Tracey Road Open House in beautiful upstate New York. And this wonderful day is here upon us to celebrate Tracey Road's excellent service, excellent team they have here. Up and down, I can't think of any facility or any company that I'd rather deal with more than Tracey Road. They do a great job. Dick Ridings is our salesperson, and he's there always, even if you don't need him, he's around. We appreciate all he does for us and his support. We've bought in quite a few pieces of equipment from Dick. We're happy with all of them, but we're especially happy with the 210 nibbler, or dismantler you want to call it. We use that every day at our facility to make us more money to process our hulks after they've gone through our U-Pull-It. We completely remove all the engines with it. We remove all aluminum, all electrical harnesses with it. Right now we're doing about 35 cars a day with it on a shift that runs from about 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We could easily do a lot more if we wished and be more productive with it, but it makes us money with no short hours anyways. It's been a great machine. It's run super, and we can pay more for every vehicle because of it. It enables our facility to make more money on every vehicle, and it's part of our daily life there, and we love having that machine. So I can't say enough again about Tracey Road and Cabelco, all the support they give us, and we'll buy another machine from them in an instant, anytime. Thank you.
Dave Ryan with SM Galvan. Sean Galvan and myself are here today with our team. Our main office is out of Troy, New York. We have been introduced to Tracey Road through Scott Collins in year 2000. Sean Galvan first started in Cabelco with the Cabelco equipment in 1998. Always was looking to grow. Tracey Road stopped by and saw us and entertained a good conversation. Scott Collins also brought the second time Mr. Jerry Tracey. At that time we built a relationship, and their outcome was amazing. The units that they offer, the service, the technology, also rental. Anytime Cabelco could help us, they brought out the factory people. They brought the units to us to let us demo, to try, so that we were comfortable before we moved forward. And to this day, it is unique. And we're here today at their 2019 open house, and looking forward to doing business with the Cabelco and the Tracey family for years to come.